Even though Senator-elect Braun promises to vote against the health care reform bill, the White House and Democratic lawmakers say the bill is not dead yet. CBS News senior White House correspondent Bill Plant has details on that. Bill, good morning to you.
Jeff, good morning to you. The White House saw this train coming, and they've been considering ways to try to save the health care bill, but none of the options are really very good. So Democrats, both here and elsewhere, have tried to avoid talking about it, especially up on Capitol Hill.
We're right on course. We will have a health care reform bill.
But getting a health care bill passed now looks more difficult than ever.
All of the options for health care get very ugly. There are ways it can go forward, but they will look highly political.
Option one, push a bill through both the House and Senate before the new senator from Massachusetts is seated.
Many of their own members, and certainly much of the public, would see that as really strong-arming the Congress and also going against the will of the Massachusetts voters.
Option two, convince the House to pass the Senate version of health care, something many liberal House Democrats won't like.
It risks alienating progressives who are already angry with what's happened with health care, because the Senate bill is much less progressive than the House bill.
Option three, split the bill and put the money requirements into a budget reconciliation bill, which requires only 51 votes to pass. The House would still have to pass the rest of the Senate bill.
Democrats have been reluctant to do this, in part for political reasons. You force something through on a very narrow margin.
Top officials here still insist that Scott Brown's victory in Massachusetts was a referendum on the economy and not on health care. Expect to hear more about this from the president later today. Maggie?
Bill Plant in Washington. Thank you, Bill. Let's talk more.